How to transpose matrix. To transpose matrix, interchange rows into columns or columns into rows. Using the letter T in the superscript of the specified matrix, the matrix is indicated to be in transposition. For instance, if N is a matrix, then N raised to T is the transpose of matrix N. If N is M by N, then the N transform is N by M. Example number 1. Find the N transform if N matrix is 1, 4, 2, 5, and 3, 6. The N matrix is 3 by 2. If matrix is 3 by 2, then the N transpose is 2 by 3. The elements in first row, 1, 4, become the elements of first column in N transpose. The elements in second row, 2, 5, become the elements in second column of N transpose. The elements in third row, 3, 6, become the elements in third column of N transpose. N transpose now is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Example number 2. Transpose F matrix. The F matrix 4, 3, 9, 2. F matrix is 2 by 2. The F transpose is 2 by 2 matrix also. The elements in first row, 4, 3, become the elements in first column of F transpose. 4, 3. The elements in second row, 9, 2, become the elements in second column of F transpose. 9, 2. F transpose now is 4, 9, 3, 2. That's the way how to transpose a matrix. I hope you learned how to transpose matrix. See you on the next video.